I made two very specific trades today. I will get to those in just a second. A lot of people now have FOMO, the fear of missing out. They're trying to play a nasty game of catch-up, buying their favorite stocks after they've already run up in price, and the S&P 500 today could come within a whisper of making a brand new all-time high. Over the last week to 2 weeks, when the social media, the internet, financial news shows were force-feeding fear down people's throats and telling them to sell, the herd mentality, the untrained brain, most people, they blindly believe it, they do what everybody else was doing, and they were selling. I was here very calmly every day, and on very specific days was telling you that I was a buyer, doing the exact opposite, because I know that when those underlying mood swings get to extreme fear, that they can't stay that way forever and that they automatically snap back. So now these people are pushing up stocks higher and higher, and I am just sitting back and enjoying it and loving it and having a great time. As of the middle of the afternoon here, the S&P 500 could make a brand new all-time high. We'll see how it ends. It's certainly still in that confirmed breakout above 6,696. Sure, the stock market could be down tomorrow. I don't have a crystal ball, but like I shared with you, I think 2 or 3 days ago, I think the selling, that little correction we had last week, over the last week and a half, is over, and that generally we make higher prices from here. I am set up perfectly for it. Meanwhile, everybody else has FOMO and is playing a nasty game of catch-up. Who is paying attention? If you are paying attention to what I have shared with you, that's awesome. If you're not paying attention, it's start time. Trade number one that I made today, I half hedged my long natural gas position. It looked like that we could maybe break out above $3.39 a cubic foot. The future is unpredictable, anything can happen, but it looks now like that's not going to happen. So we're back in this confirmed breakout above $3.09 a cubic foot. It could potentially fall that far. I don't have a crystal ball, I can't tell the future, but I personally think that natural gas could come down here, so I half hedged my account. Now I get it, I don't tell you exactly how I do it because the state of Florida calls that results-based advertising. I don't get involved in that. Want to know exactly what trade I made? Click the little red email icon in my bio. The second trade I made today was taking some profits on a quarter of my long crude oil position because the price over the last 2 days has just shot up like a rocket ship. It is totally awesome. This trade is killing it. Who's paying attention? I hope you are. So we have come up so far so fast that we still only, the confirmed breakout is only above $58 a barrel. We now have, in my opinion, two unconfirmed breakouts, one above $60.11, the other above $61.53 a barrel. So I still have 3/4 of my long crude oil position, almost said natural gas. If crude oil can close above $61.53 a barrel today and close meaningfully higher tomorrow, sure, crude oil could climb even higher, could go up to about $64.42 a barrel. If crude oil kind of starts to top out here and come down, it could come down further, and that's fine. I would be super duper happy to exit the rest of my crude oil position, but because we can run higher, I still wanted to hold on to a bunch of my position. If you were in this trade with me, congratulations. Gold is up today, and all of the chicken littles yesterday that were crying the sky is falling, yeah, I'm having them for lunch today. I shared with my subscribers during the day that unless gold closes below $4,066 an ounce, that I thought for more aggressive traders it was a buying opportunity. I shared that with you here after the market closed in this social media video, and one day does not make a trend, but I was right. Gold is up today. I continue to think that gold runs higher from here. Now, we are still technically, in my opinion, in the confirmed breakdown below $4,224 an ounce. A really bullish move for gold here would be to break and confirm above that. Patience, watch these levels. So if you specifically are not paying attention yet, or you've just started to pay attention, awesome. Continue to pay attention. If you have been paying attention for a while and you see what I'm doing, the next step is to reach out to me. Click the little red email icon in my bio. Say hello. I'd love to meet you. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.